from the heart of the sun pour forth and bathe my soul. I want a position from where I don't stand between the master and the disciples. Now instead of adding to the confusion, silently write once again. Wherever you find it too mystic, just point out there will be a mistake.
Yes, if I go.
No, this is the first initiation. Let them write and wipe off and continue. Yes.
Habt ihr das obere schon geschrieben?
Find out if you can wipe off. Wait until all have taken down. Point, full stop.
Full stop.
Yes. Within those forms, if we can wipe off, second initiation. No. The continuation of the first. That is God, cosmic plane. That is much evolved method. With such photos, you can give initiations on a mass scale. Sun, S-O-N, not on the physical plane. Therefore, you need not be bothered. The power of God streams forth as will, as dedication to the plan, as strength to work, and give a son of God. What is it? Don't discuss about the grammar because the sentence is correct. You are wrong because here is an infinitive to. The portion of the latter portion of the sentence is under the influence of streams forth as dedication to the plan, as streaming forth to work and give. So it is under the influence of the infinitive to. No one accepts it's true if you say to works or to gives. Here it is to give a son, not to give a son. Though he was an Indian, the Tibetan master is correct for the first time. Within brackets, wipe off and do it brackets again. Yes. Sound Om thrice audibly. See, you write it thrice. This is homeopathic language. Letter more 3x. You write THRS. That is, we being homeopaths, we read it Om 3x. 3 times. It is still there is something more left in this sentence. Thrice, meditating upon the idea of cleansing the aura. Cleansing the aura. Please go. So this is the directions for the above meditation. Can we wipe it off? Yeah. This side they have finished, therefore I put my head as the last disciple. Then the next meditation. Yes, that's good. Group work. Within the darkness of the soul, present within the form, a point of light is seen. Then there arises all around that point, a field of deepest blue. Can we wipe off? Paul is going to wipe off. Yes, now you can go. Put in your finger. Yes, deep blue. No full stop. If there is a full stop, it belongs to the typewriter, not to the Tibetan. Because India typewriter. And this becomes irradiated by the soul, the inner sun, shining within. A brilliant field of blue. This is a point here. The point belongs to Tibetan. The points of light the points of light become the many lines of rays of light. Of rays of light. Full stop. Sit down. You can give a third initial. And this becomes irradiated by the soul, comma, the inner soul, the inner sun, comma, shining within a brilliant field of blue. The points of light become the many lines of rays of light. Can all wipe off all these lines, then merge and blend until the lighted way appears before the eyes of each tired pilgrim on that way. Full stop. He walks in light. He is himself the light, comma, the light upon the way. Full stop. He is the way. And then within brackets, directions. Utter Om thrice, impressing upon you, the concept of silence, comma, silencing of all discords, Finish. Brackets. Utter Om thrice, impressing upon you the concept of silence, silencing of all discords. Discords means inequalities. Now another brackets. After a pause of half a minute, meditate upon a lotus of milk white color, of milk white light, as big as the volume of space you can imagine. You are in the lotus. The lotus is in you also. No space to write. He is in you also. Can we wipe off? The middle point of the lotus is from your heart to your head. Meditate for 2 minutes and utter Om thrice as your expression of joy. Yes, I gave the translation of the last stanza also. You can add that also. Here it is not given. Yes, you can add it. No problem. You can add one more sentence. The petals of the lotus give you the touch of cool breeze. There are, of course, 2 blinds in this. One blind, if we look through the window, this wall is called a blind. Blind. It stops the way to see. It blocks the way to see. So, the master has kept 2 blinds in the meditation. He expects us to remove the blinds after some time of meditation. One blind, I can remove it now to you. But one blind I have to keep until the next year. This meditation has a sound key which is kept a secret and a blind. So the color is given, the meditation is given, and Om is given as the sound. But some more sound should be added to Om to complete this meditation according to the original stanzas of the manuscript from which the master has taken these lines. You can meditate with that sound also. The blind is like this. This should be added. And the whole thing becomes, you should utter it as Joom. Like that. You have to start Joom. Not Zoo, Joom. There are 2 J's. One is Ja, one is Za. That is, one is uttered with the palate, one is uttered with the teeth. We want the one with palate. Joom. The sound means life in a living being. It belongs to the ancient most of the languages. into archaic Sanskrit the basis of the word zoo. That is a group of beings where living beings are kept. The word zoology comes from this. This single syllabled word belongs to the Sinjar language. And when uttered like this, it is called Brihadarabha of light. So, in the science of mantras, this total word is called Conqueror of Death. Conqueror of Death. In the three lower principles, in the science of mantras, this is the best sound that heals yourself and others, either from defects or from ailments or diseases on any plane. This is the healing mantra of the ancient most scientists. It is called Mrutyunjaya. The word Mrityu means death. You know, same word in some Indo-Germanic languages also. For example, martyrdom, mortuary, and in French they say morgue. So it comes from older Sanskrit. Jaya means conquering. So conqueror of death. It's called Mrityunjaya mantra. The passage given by the Tibetan master is a direct translation of meditation given under Mrityunjaya mantra. So thank you all. Both. There is another blind which we remove next year for those who are continuing daily. Yes. So what we do is we start the meditation with Om thrice, and then in the middle, after the first passage, we utter Om thrice with yellow. Then after the next passage, we utter Om thrice with electric blue. Then during the milk white lotus meditation, instead of doing Om thrice, you should do Jum thrice. Seeing the equivalents and the correspondences of the charts, equivalents, and studying the book of Tibetan or any concerned sacred book and trying to understand the theories and allowing your intuition to work upon it. From time to time, some ideas will be given to you in the form of some passages in your own language or English. You have to note down those passages with the date and keep it for yourself without discussing about them, and they will be sometimes useful in the future. So you are expected to maintain a diary book separately, and the indication of the diary book is that the cover of the diary book should be of this color. Yes. Yes. That's better. Those who are on the back, turn to Kumar, you can see. When you are having a book with this cover, here is another book, and using it as a diary after your meditation, it is an indication to the advanced disciples of the masters that you are an aspirant, that you are aspiring to be one with them. So they begin to automatically respond within a few weeks, and this has nothing to do with any religion or any recognized esoteric school or any society or any association. All these societies and associations and groups are attempts to form a spiritual group, and you may belong to one of those groups, or you may be forming as one new group and is not concerned. We are not concerned. So, to what group we belong is not a matter which concerns us. The procedure is the same and the contact is the same, the communication is the same, the progress is the same, and the experience is the same to all those who want to be part of the humanity of this planet. Those who want to know more and more details, they remain outside any such group because of the defect of strong individuality and intellectualism. Because of the defect of, but they are free to do it. It is for them to choose. But one thing is sure, as long as we want to investigate into matters and try to know for ourselves before knowledge is presented to our mind, then we are individually a separate institution to ourselves. And that institution continues with the same amount of progress which we have made till now, and it never expands. So the fellow dies with the same brilliance which was with him at his birth. But yet everyone is permitted to worship his own intelligence until he knows the higher law of it. So remembering these words, those who are beginners, who have no basis in the past, who have no standard or progress in the past, they may start this process from now. And those who are really confident that they are a bit advanced may not follow this and may follow their own path. And for those who want to follow this, it is necessary that these passages should be taken. The English sentences belong to the Tibetan master, whereas the concepts belong to the original stanza. So, can I dictate the passages to you, or can I arrange that copies?
Vielleicht können wir es so arrangieren, dass Fotografien gemacht werden.
Good.
Ja, gut.
Yes. Those who very readily responded to the idea of having photocopies,
Auf die Idee, dass Sie gerne Fotografien hätten.
they belong to the real Raja Yoga path.
Hatha Yoga.
No, Raja Yoga. That means great joy, comfort, skill,
Fähigkeit.
remuneration without labor.
Belohnung ohne Arbeit.
And those few who are not wise and who have hastily responded to first idea, they belong to the real path of the masters.
Zu den Wirkern.
So you can choose now.
Jetzt können
No more choice.
Saint Paul says no more choice.
Heilige Paulus sagt,
But I still repeat, there is choice.
aber
Always the decision lies with you, not with Paul.
Ja, sind mit beiden einverstanden waren. Und sind mit beiden einverstanden waren.
Both. They are the most intelligent of all the laws.
das sind immerhin die intelligentesten.
The second ones are wiser than the first batch.
Die
They belong to the comparative degree of intelligence. Whereas the third batch belongs to the superlative degree of intelligence.
Superlativ.
Unübersetzbar hohe Stufe der Intelligenz.
That's why there will be maximum 1 or 2 persons in the third batch. Very select. They belong to the grand masters of intelligence. I will dictate the passages, please take them. There are, of course, two blinds in this. One blind, if we look through the window, this wall is called a blind. So, the master has kept two blinds in the meditation. He expects us to remove the blinds after some time of meditation. One blind I can remove it to you, but one blind I have to keep until the next year. This meditation has a sound key which is kept a secret and a blind. So the color is given, the meditation is, and Om is given as the sound. But some more sound should be added to Om to complete this meditation according to the original stanzas of the manuscript from which the master has taken these lines. You can meditate with that sound also. The blind is like this. This should be added, and the whole thing becomes. You should utter it as you be silent. I can utter. Joom. Like that. You have to start. Joom. Not zoo. Ju. There are two J's. One is ja, one is za. That is, one is uttered with the palate, uttered with the teeth. We want the one with palate. Joom. The sound means life in a living being. It belongs to the ancient most of the languages. It is taken into archaic Sanskrit. It is the basis of the word zoo. So, that is a group of beings where living beings are kept. The word zoology comes from this. This single syllabled word belongs to the Sinjar language.
Sensar. Das ist ein zweiter Sanskrit und Sensar.
Yes. And when uttered like this, it is called reservoir of life. So, in the science of mantrams, this total word is called conqueror of death. Conqueror of death. That means your consciousness entering into your higher principles, leaving the three lower principles. In the science of mantrams, this is the best sound that heals yourself and others, either from defects or from ailments or diseases on any plane. This is the healing mantram of the ancient most scientists. In Sanskrit, it is called Mrutyunjaya. The word Mrityu means death. You know, same word in some Indo-Germanic languages also. For example, martyrdom, martyri, and in French they say mort. So it comes from older Sanskrit. Jaya means conquering, conqueror of death. It's called Mrityunjaya mantra. The passage given by the Tibetan master, direct translation of meditation given under Mrityunjaya mantra. So thank you all.